Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a camp-out treat without the campfire. S'mores bars can be devoured right out of the oven. Here's what you'll need: graham cracker crumbs or graham crackers that you grind to a fine crumb. You'll also need sugar, butter, flour, an egg, vanilla, salt, and baking powder. Then marshmallow cream, mini marshmallows, and milk chocolate bars. Starting with the crust, blend the butter and sugar until fluffy. Next, add the egg and vanilla and mix. Then add flour, graham cracker crumbs, salt, and baking powder and blend until the dough just comes together. Reserve about a cup of the dough and put the rest in a baking pan, patting down firmly to create a crust. Bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. Once the crust cools, break up the chocolate bars and arrange them over the crust. Next, spread the marshmallow cream evenly over the chocolate. Then sprinkle the reserved cookie dough over the cream. Add a few marshmallows, some chopped chocolate bits, and it goes back into the oven for 20 minutes. When the s'mores have set up, just cut them into beautiful, yummy bars. A fun treat that's easier to eat without the fire. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.